Get your tail. Get your tail.
Royals Hall of Fame, which is out in left field.
Get it. Go get it.
Top of the 8th inning of Kauffman Stadium.
Get it. Get your tail.
3-2 lead. Threats number 5, 1 of 3.
Of course, now that I have the camera on, she's not like doing anything.
Kill it.
Get
Kill
it.
it. I met him.
George Brett.
Who?
George Brett. On the right.
Get it.
Look at George Brett. And George said,
Get it. Get it. Get it.
So George, it looked like you're in
Get it. Get it. Get
good
it.
shape. And he said, you have 3 boys. One of them's graduating high school next week. They keep you in shape. He looks great and still goes to spring training, as you mentioned. And it's about outscored the spring the other night. And George brought up a very good point that he's off.
Look at her.
Doesn't go out and get the pitch and doesn't
He's
open
the
up
cutest.
much. So he is
He's the
becoming a very good player. One he thought would be the next George Brett at third base, but they moved him to left field.
She'll bark and then she'll just like let it go. It's like, all right, now what do I do? Oh, she's over it. Look.